Good morning guys, I am back with one more review. It is wireless vacuum cleaner. So we ordered it online. This is battery operated vacuum cleaner. I just open it. So we will check what actually is inside. So this is main part of vacuum cleaner. Is a pretty good size with one filter is inside. Here is its charging port. So with one speed, sound is pretty good. So let's check what is inside box. There is one brush, first cleaner. There is a one book. This product is made in China. So here is one brush, floor brush, two-in-one brush. So let's check. There is floor brush. It's a charging cable, 7.5 volt working voltage and 8.4 volt charging voltage. So here is one more floor brush. It's good for I think small vacuum jobs and for car. So I think it's also have a good pressure. So included this nozzle and these two pipes. So that's it. So this is its technical parameters. Wireless vacuum cleaner model is FH268. Rated power 120 volt, 120 watt, 600 ml. Its cup suction is 7500 Pascal and net weight is 1050 gram. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you liked it and you can have again one look. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.